Barabara ya kuma Kenol guthii Sagana nginya Marua iria ni ya muigana wa kilomita 44 na iria ihingurite makiria ma kaunti 7 nyingi ciacio ari gitaru-ini gia gatagati ga bururi ni imwe ya tabarira iria bengi ya uthii wa nambere ya gitaru kia Africa ADB inyitanire na thirikari ya Kenya gukinyaniria. Akiaria hindi ya kunyavara haria waki wa barabara ino ukinyite, Minista wa ukui James Macharia augite waki wa barabara ino utanyitwo kurika muthia-ini wa mwaka uyu. Ndeto ya president wa bengi ya ADB Akinwumi Adesina augite ni agwitirwo gitaru-ini giothe kia Africa.
Na ni yake na muno tuniauga atiriri ikinyite 70% na ni guthira mbere ya mwaka uyu uthirite. Matanya mari ithire mwaka ukite uri ungi wa 2024. Koguo wikinya December andu mariuma Nairobi makinya Marua on dual carriage na niguo ukurihe maendeleo tondu riu ni wakiona nginya guku barabara-ini.
Macharia ni agathiriirie itemi ria bengi ino ekoretwo ikinyita hari ukuria wa bururi guku nake Akinwumi akirahira unyitaniri wa President Uhuru Kenyatta na bengi ino niguo gutigirira tabarira ino ni yakinyanira.
So I would like to congratulate His Excellency President, my dear friend and brother, His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, for his big four and the big drive in which he brought into the development of Kenya. I try to make him to do high fives. You know, at the bank we have high fives: light up and power Africa, feed Africa, integrate Africa, industrialize Africa, and improve the quality of life of the people of Africa.
Appreciate him very, very much. Together with his team, the DG of the bank, AFDB, for the support they've given this country. It's not just these roads. If you go across the country, you go to the coast, Mombasa, we have the Mombasa-Mariakani road.
Akinwumi no augite waki wa barabara ya kuma Mombasa Nairobi nginya Addis Ababa bururi-ini wa Ethiopia ni uteithiririe kuhingura gitaru giki na njira nene.
We financed with about $1.1 billion the road that is linking Mombasa, the highway, Mombasa to Nairobi, all the way to Addis Ababa. And that alone has actually expanded trade between Ethiopia and Kenya by 400% and allowed Ethiopia to get access to the port.
Nacio tabarira cia mai bururi-ini cikihurwo jeki-ini bengi ino ya ADB na muigana wa bilioni 120. Minista Macharia akiuga gukinyiria riu kuri na iganda njeru ciakitwo kumana na kuhingurwo kwa barabara ino ogwata inywiro cia maguta urimi mubashirire na mangi megie ukuria matanyitwo kuhanika. Macharia akiuga ati aikari maturite metereire kurika gwa barabara ino ya kuma Kenol Sagana nginya Marua kwa makiria ma miaka 40 na gukinyiria muthia wa mwaka uyu barabara ino ni gukorwo igitirihwo. Wakiigwa kama gunyira niguo ngururirie na guthererie tondu gaka ni kanya kohoro kuma metumi ndigi magoro ritwa riakwa ni Sera Waboi wa Mwagi.